Previously on Flowbass.
After a grueling 30-hour drive, I finally have made it up north. First northern fish is a pike. Oh my gosh, don't take my lure. This one's definitely a little bit bigger. It's just never giving up and dig. Ripped it away from him, came back and just rushed it.
After my first day out on the river, I have to confess I am absolutely obsessed. It's actually still day number 1 up north, and I'm back for round number 2. I decided to hit a different section of river after speaking to some locals. They say it has some faster moving water. Considering that it's summertime, it should hold more oxygen and there should be a lot more fish. Unbeknownst to me at the time, I would be in for a little bit of a surprise in the form of low water. When it comes to fishing, I am a glutton for punishment, so I'm still gonna make my way out onto the river for the second time today and slay some smallies.
There we go. Come here, you pesky little guy. Nice little smallmouth bass. Awesome. So what I did here was I moved up to this kind of faster moving water. It's been really hot lately and the water's really low, and I just figured that these fish would be kind of stacked up in here in some of these pools in this fast moving water because there's obviously a lot more current creating a lot more oxygen. So let's get this guy back. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's a smallie. A good one. I saw him wake for it. Oh, yes. There we go. Oh, this one is nice and heavy. Wow. Holy cow, you guys. Look at that smallmouth. Oh my gosh. That is such a nice fish. Oh, let's get a weight on him real quick. All right, we're on 0. Hey, that's a good number, 311. Awesome. All right, let's let this one go. Oh my gosh. Right at the end of my cast. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. There's a good one. Oh my Lord. All right, come here, buddy. Don't you jump. I was sitting in the front of the kayak and I ended up catching a really, really nice one. Man, I'm disappointed that I forgot the bump board. But it is what it is. We'll get another weight on this one, and that's all we can do. All right, got her on 0. Let's give her little friend a weight. Wow, over a pound difference from that 311, and this thing fought just amazing. This guy's 2 pounds and 3 ounces. So cool. Oh, was definitely ready to say sayonara to my ugly mug. All right, I was so sick. It's getting really, really shallow, so that's why I'm walking the kayak up, and I was just sitting on the front of the kayak right here, and that's how I caught him. I could see there's still some bait flicking up there, so I'm gonna make a few more casts and then keep moving up the river. Oh, yes. Oh, pulled the hooks. I think I got more grass than anything else. Oh my gosh. Good one. Oh, it's a pike. Is it? Or is it a muskie? Come on down the water slide, buddy. It's a pike. Okay. Just relax for a second. Ooh, slimy bugger. Oh no, another pike. Don't steal my bait. So I'm gonna make my way back down the river. It's getting kind of late. What I've been noticing is my bites have been coming in the fast moving water. It could just be because it's summer and these fish are looking for that higher oxygen content, which makes a lot of sense. The water's warmer. I mean, this is pretty cold for what I'm used to in Florida, but that's where I seem to be getting all my bites. Yeah, I'm gonna turn back around. I'm gonna fish it pretty fast, but I did run over some pretty big smallmouths. So once I get back to those areas, I'm gonna slow down and focus on those a little bit more. So hopefully we can get them. You can really tell how low the river is. You could see the undercut part of the bank where these smallmouth would normally hide under. It's about 2 feet above the actual water level. Oh my gosh, do we have them still? Or do we have a stick? No, we have a stick. Oh, I see. Made it back to the launch. It's only my second trip out here on the river. It's still the same day. I took a little bit of a break, came back out to a different section just to keep exploring and see what I can find and discover and learn more about how to fish the actual river, and it's been awesome. So, real short video, but I want to thank you guys for watching so much. My name's Eric. You guys are watching the Flobass channel. Welcome to Up North, and like I always say, guys, don't be in such a rush to reach the finish line that you miss out on the journey. So stay tuned, guys. See you in the next video. Peace out.